Okay, good morning, students. So, after understanding in detail about the capital structure, problems on capital structure. So, next chapter is working capital management. See, working capital management. Working capital means already explained well in advance. Working capital refers to capital which is required for meeting day-to-day expenses. Or working capital refers to it shows the relationship between current assets and current liabilities. So that is called working capital. So theory already explained working capital management in detail, factors are affecting working capital management, important working capital management, cycle, working capital cycle, bill system management, inventory management, cash management. These are comes under working capital. Now I will directly start the problems. See here, I already explained working capital shows the relationship between current assets and current liabilities. Means while preparing working capital statement, now first you have to take all current assets. Then take all current liabilities. Then you have to write net working capital. Current assets minus current liabilities. You will get net working capital. So here the current assets means what? Current assets means what? First it comes in inventory. Inventory means stock. Inventory or stock. Under stock, we have various elements. Under inventory, we have various elements. What? Raw material, work in progress, labor, overheads. That is, these are comes under inventory. Understood? Raw material, this labor, overheads. Next point is finished goods. Under finished goods also three elements. What? Raw material, labor, overheads. Then work in progress also three elements: raw material, labor, work, overheads. So like this you have to calculate. So before calculation of that working capital requirement, first you have to prepare cost sheet or statement of cost sheet. Statement of cost sheet you already studied in BCom or BBA, but the science students will listen clearly. So statement of cost sheet last year also you studied accounting for managers. Statement of cost sheet you have to prepare. Means you have to ascertain total cost and profit. First you have to take raw material. Material, then material, labor, overheads. You will get total cost. Then add profit. Cost plus profit you will get total sales. This is cost sheet. After finishing cost sheet, immediately you have to prepare working capital management. And you see first question in this working capital management. First question. The board of directors, Apple company, Apple company board of directors requested to prepare statement showing working capital requirements for the level of activity of 1,56,000 production given. Level of activity means what? The production of goods and services 1,56,000. Level of activity, units of production means they have to produce 1,56,000. Then the following information available to you, they given particulars per net, they given raw material given, direct labor given, overhead given, total cost given, profit also given, then sales given. Means they given per unit, but we want to convert unit into rupees. Rupees means you have to multiply by the level of activity 1,56,000 into material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, profit, sales, etc. Let us see. Then first point they given after that. Raw material stock means inventory average 1 month. 1 month. Then materials in process means work in progress. Material process means what? Work in progress 2 weeks given. Finished goods in stock. Finished goods in stock means inventory they given 1 month. Credit allowed by supplier 1 month means they giving supply. Supply means what? Creditors who supply the goods 1 week they given time. The time lag payment from debtors means customers they given 2 months. 2 months given, not week, 2 months given. Then lag of payment of wages means they have to pay wages now 1.5 weeks they given. Weeks given. Then 20% of output is sold against 20% of output is sold against cash. Means out of 100%, 20% they sold cash, remaining 80% they sold on credit. That is very important. Then it is assumed that production is carried eventually means throughout the year. Wages overheads are accrued means outstanding. And time of 4 weeks is equivalent to a month means they given 4 weeks equivalent to 1 month. Means if the week is given in the question, you have to convert months into week. Okay, this is given. So first you have to prepare statement of cost sheet. First problem. I'll show you slowly statement of cost sheet. So here elements of cost, then rupees. Make it 2 columns. First you have to take direct material. Direct material, raw material. Direct raw material. I told them they are given 1,56,000 units into material cost per unit is they are given 90. Material cost how much given? 90. So 1,56 into 90 rupees per unit, you will get 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000. 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000. Next, direct labor. Direct labor 1,56,000 is common into labor cost per unit they given in the question 40 rupees. So 62 lakh 40,000. 62 lakh 40,000 they given. Means how to we will get this and this. Then they given overheads. Overheads 1,56,000 into overheads per unit is 75 rupees. 75 rupees. This into this you will get 1 crore 17 lakhs. 1 crore 17 lakhs you get. That's all. Make it total. Add these three, you will get 3 crore 19 lakh 80,000. 3 crore 19 lakh 80,000. This is called total cost. Total cost. Then add profit. See 1,56,000 level of activity or production into the given in cost sheet question only. Profit per unit is 60 rupees into 60. We will get 93 lakh 60,000. 93 lakh 60,000. Add these two, you will get sales. You will get sales. Add this plus this cost plus profit cost. 4 crore 13 lakh 40,000. 4 crore 13 lakh 40,000 is it sales. See, this is called cost sheet. Understood? First you take direct material, raw material, 1,56, direct labor, overheads, add profit. 1,56 into the unit given 90, 40, 75. Multiply, add, you get total cost, add profit. 1,50 into 60 rupees, you get sales. So this is called how to prepare the cost sheet or elements of cost. Now, after understanding this cost sheet or element of cost, now we have to prepare statement showing working capital requirements. Statement showing working capital requirements. Second statement. Statement showing working capital requirement. Statement showing working capital requirement. So particulars, then rupees. Particulars, rupees. See here, in working capital requirement, first you have to take current assets. A, for example, A. Current assets. See, under current assets, first you have to take inventory. Inventory, or another name is stock. Inventory or stock. Another stock of direct raw material. Stock of direct material. So they given inventory in the question given. The first point you see inventory. How many weeks get they given? If you want 4 weeks. How many weeks given inventory? They given 4 weeks. 4 weeks they given. Raw material cost we know how much. 1 crore. See 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000 into 4 by 52 means in here how many weeks? Out of 52 weeks we want only 4 weeks of raw material cost. So this into this you will get 10 lakh 80,000. 10 lakh 80,000 is over. Then work in progress. Work in progress. Work in progress is based on raw material only. What? Raw material. See work in progress they given how many weeks they given? 2 weeks. The process they given now. Material process 2 weeks given now. What they processing? They converting raw material into finished goods. Means you have to take raw material cost again. 1 crore 40 lakhs 40,000 into how many weeks they given? 2 weeks. If you want work in progress as process they given. Another is 2 weeks given now into 2 by 52. 2 by 52. So you get 5 lakh 40,000. 5 lakh 40,000 get work in progress. Then you have to take labor cost. You have to add material, work in progress, labor. So in labor they given wages required or that labor they given here. Labor how many weeks they given labor? 2 weeks they given. See they given last see labor cost or wages. Labor cost or wages. See last given now throughout here wages and overheads accrued and a time period required is 4 weeks to equivalent to 1 month. 4 weeks equivalent to 1 month. See here is very important thing you have to remember this here. For work in progress, no? Work in progress for this. How many weeks given? 2 weeks is required for labor and overheads. Labor and overhead. So labor costs are written here 62 lakh 40,000. 62 lakh 40,000 into 2 by 52 into 50%. Into 50%. Okay, tell you labor. So 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000. See, for processing work in progress, you have to take work in progress of raw material. Is raw material or no? Raw material. 2 weeks required for processing. Raw material required, labors also required, then overheads also required. Overheads also required. That's why I have taken 2 weeks, common for all. Raw material also 2 weeks, 2 by 52. Labor cost you have to take 2 by 52 into 2 by 52 into 50%. 50% assumed to be the work is not completed. See, work in progress. They issue raw material. The material is going on, progressing, processing. Still they didn't get finished output. That's why for labor and overhead, you have to take 50% is common, whether it is given or not in the question. In all the problems, labor you have to take this labor cost into 2 weeks. This work in progress 2 by 52 into 50% is taken. So 1 lakh 20. Next, overheads. Overheads. See, at the overheads cost, we know this 1 crore 17 lakhs. 1 crore 17 lakhs into same 2 weeks. 2 by 52 into here also you have to take 50%. Labor required for process. The overhead means indirect expense required process. You have to take 50% all the problems. Not only I am talking this problem. Understood? Work in progress will take raw material. Raw material will take as usual. But labor and overhead now assumed to be 50% is fixed. So multiply, you will get 2,25,000. 2,25,000. Then these are considered. Next one is I told now finished goods. Next elements is current assets, components, current what? Finished goods. After finished goods, again debtors. After debtors, cash like first inventory and current assets. Inventory, these are comes raw material, work in progress, labor, overheads. Again, in finished goods, no, again it comes what is that? Raw material, then labor and overheads. Again, overheads. I told you. So here the finished goods, how many weeks they given? They given 4 weeks. Stock finished goods, how many weeks? They given the question. 4 weeks. They given no. Finished goods, comma in stock average 1 month. 1 month they given. 1 month should be converted into 4 weeks. 4 weeks we have to convert into weeks because this question is given in terms of weeks. One month, how many weeks? 4 weeks. So raw material, okay. Labor, this. Again take raw material cost. Raw material cost how much again? 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000. 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000 into 4 by 52. Then labor cost to take here 62 lakh 40 common. 62 lakh 40,000 into same 4 weeks. We did know here 2 weeks, like 4 by 52. Then overheads 1 crore 17 lakhs. 1 crore 17 lakhs into 4 by 52. See, out of 52 weeks, we want 4 weeks. That is 1 month is nothing but 4 weeks, So multiply this into this into this. So this is 10 lakh, raw material 10 lakh 80,000 under finished goods. Then labor is 4 lakh 80,000. Then overheads, this is 9 lakhs. These are 9 lakhs. So, understood? Unfinished goods, take raw material, take labor, take overheads. In work in progress also, take raw material, take labor, take overheads. Means raw material cost, labor cost, overhead cost. Here is raw material cost, labor cost, overhead cost. But weeks different. Okay. Remember 50% are different. Okay. See, after third component of current asset is debtors. What is that? Debtors or customers. They given customers. Now customers means what? Who want to buy the product. Debtors, customers. Here they given. How many weeks they given? The time lag payment from debtors is 2 months. How many months? 2 months. 2 months should be converted into weeks. How many weeks? 8 weeks. 8 weeks. 2 months means what? 8 weeks. 8 weeks. So debtors. See, if nothing given in the question means you have to take debtors and total cost. Debtors and total cost. This total cost. If they given debtors is to be allowed on sales means you have to take sales. Understood? Suppose you are selling goods to debtors or customers, you are collecting money. But here, there nothing mentioned regarding sales. If nothing mentioned means you have to take total cost. Debtors what? Total cost. If what? Total cost. 8 weeks. No total cost. Total cost how much? 3 crore 19 lakh 80,000. 3 crore 19 lakh 80,000 into how many weeks? 8 weeks. 8 by 52. 8 by 52. 8 weeks. Out of 52, 8 weeks. So you will get 39 lakh 36,000. 39 lakh 36,000. Okay. Understood? Debtors means customers. They given 2 months. The 2 months converted into weeks. 2 months, how many weeks? 4 plus 8 weeks. So data is always based on total cost, not raw material, not labor. Total cost 3 crore 19 lakh 80,000 into 8 by 52. So this. Then fourth element of cash, the current asset is cash. What is that? Cash. I think cash is given. Cash in hand. They given the question. See, cash of rupees 60,000. They given. Cash in hand or cash in bank rupees 60,000 is given. Okay, add. You'll get total current assets. Total current assets. Add all these. You'll get 84, 8 crore, 8 crore 42 lakh 1,000 total current assets. No, 84 lakh 21,000. This 84 lakh 21,000. This is total current assets. Now, less current liabilities. Continue. Continue here only. Current liabilities. B. Current liabilities. And the current liabilities, I'll tell list of current creditors here. Wages, outstanding expenses, these are comes under current liabilities. So creditors. See, they given supplier here. Supplier, another name. See, supplier, how many weeks they given here? They given 4 weeks. Supplier allowed to supply 1 month. 1 month given, no. 1 month is converted into 4 weeks. 1 month equivalent to 4 weeks. See here, for what you purchase from creditors raw material. Again, take raw material cost. What you purchase from supplier? Raw material. You have to take raw material cost. You see cost. Raw material is 1 crore 40 lakh 40,000 into 4 by 52. 4 by 52. 52 weeks. So you will get purchase of raw material 10 lakh 80,000. 10 lakh 80,000. Then wages accrued. Wages accrued. Accrued means outstanding. See, wages accrued, they given 1.5 months. They given 1.5 months. They given. See, 1.5 months. 1.5 months they given the question. Here 1.5 months is, you have to convert it into 1.50 weeks. 1.50 divided by 52. Wages now. Wages paid to whom? Laborers. Wages paid to whom? Whom we are paying wages? Labor. Again you have to take labor cost. In cost sheet I did know material. After material, labor cost we don't know how much labor cost. 62 lakh 40,000. 62 lakh 40,000 into 1.5 weeks divided by 52. Means out of 52 weeks we want 1.5 weeks. 1.5 months. So multiply, you will get 1,80,000. Now we should add. You will get total current liabilities. Add all these current liabilities. Total current liabilities 12,60,000. This plus this 12,60,000. Now after that, working capital requirement is called working capital requirements. Working capital requirements equals A minus B. A minus B. A minus means A current asset. Sum is total current assets. 84 lakh 26,000. 84 lakh 26 no. 84 lakh 26,000 minus B 12 lakh 60,000. This minus this you will get working capital requirement is A minus B 71 lakh 61,000. 71 lakh 61,000. This is called working capital requirement. And so first you have to prepare cost sheet. Just multiply given output production given units 1,56,000 to material how much, labor how much, overheads how much, total profit 1,50 into profit rate, then add with the total sales. After that you prepare statement showing working capital requirement particulars rupees. First take current asset. These are current asset. And the current asset first take inventory or stock. They will give stock given in this question. Inventory 4 weeks means for converting the inventory required 4 weeks. And take inventory stock. First you take raw material cost. Raw material 1 crore 40 into 4 weeks means 4 by 52. Then work in progress. And the work in progress is very important. What this is A, this is B. See, and work in progress. Working means what? Raw material is going on conversion process. So they given 2 weeks. Again take a raw material. Raw material required for work in progress. 1 crore 40,000 into 2 by 52. Labor cost to take. Given labor cost 62 lakh 42. This 2 lakh 52 into 50% is fixed. The words to calculate cost sheet 1 crore 17 lakh into 2 by 52 into 50%. This also common 50% all sums. These are courses. Then finished goods you take. Finished good they give 1 month. 1 month can be converted into weeks, 4 weeks. Again take raw material. Required labor required overhead. Raw material again into 4 labor cost to take. Overhead cost to take. Then next one data means customers. They given 2 months. So 8 weeks converted 8 weeks. So total cost you take, not sales. Total cost is this into 8 by 52. Then cash given add. Then current liabilities means creditors they given suppliers 4 weeks. 1 month equals 4 weeks. Take raw material. This is called raw material cost. What raw material? They supply what raw material? 1 crore 40 lakh 42 into 4 by 52. Wages accrued 1.5 weeks given, months given, country week 1.5. So 6 labor cost on take wages paid to whom? Laborers 62 lakh 40 into 1.5 total current liabilities. So okay, about this. So this is called simple way I explain compulsory. They ask questions. Okay, this is called now question analysis. You want to take the note for calculation of work in progress. In case of calculation of labor and overheads, 50% is compulsory in all the sums. 50% is compulsory. Okay, one doubt of clarification. Next doubt arises for you people. Why he is converted? I converted all into weeks. Why? Because your last sentence they will give always. What they give in the question also. See, they given. It is assumed to that production is carried eventually. Means throughout the year. Wages overheads accrued similarly and time period of 4 weeks is equivalent to 1 month. If the word weeks given, you have to convert months into weeks. Some problem they given months converted into months given, only months given. So at the time you have to convert weeks into months. So 2 weeks, 4 weeks means 1 month, 1 by 12 means out of total 1 like. Half month given means 0.5 divided 12 like this. So this is called first problem on this how to prepare statement showing working capital.